Don't pay for AI videos, because today I'll show you the only free and unlimited AI video generator with no watermark. Crazy, right? These jaw-dropping Ultra HD cinematic videos were created using 100% free AI tools. No expensive subscriptions, no hidden charges, just insanely realistic text-to-video and image-to-video results. And the best part? You can create videos like these completely free, unlimited times, and with absolutely no watermark. So make sure to watch till the end, because this might be the best free AI video generator you've ever seen. Now let me show you how to create videos like these using Meta AI, but make sure to follow every step exactly, because this works only if you follow the complete process. As you can see, I've opened the Meta AI web app. First, you'll need to log in. I'll quickly sign in with Gmail, enter the confirmation code Meta sends to my email, and just like that, we're inside. Okay, now this is the interface of Meta AI. Recently, this tool has improved a lot, and as you can see, you can do deep research, generate images, and even create videos, just like other powerful AI tools. If I click on the Vibes section, you'll see that other creators are already generating amazing AI videos using Meta AI. You can create all kinds of trending videos here, completely free. But if you noticed, these are only vertical videos. That's because Meta AI doesn't give you an option to choose the video aspect ratio. But don't worry, in just a minute, I'll show you a simple trick to create both vertical and horizontal videos for your next project. If I click on the Create button, you'll notice something important. There's no option to change the aspect ratio for videos or images. Here, all you need to do is write a detailed prompt to generate your image or video. Now let me quickly paste an image prompt and click Submit. After a few seconds, Meta AI generates 4 different image variations. But as I mentioned earlier, they are only vertical images. Now here comes the interesting part. With just one click on the Animate button, we can turn these images into cinematic AI videos. And honestly, the results look amazing. But there's one problem. The video is still vertical. That's perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, but not ideal for YouTube long-form videos. Don't worry though. In the next step, I'll show you how to fix this and create horizontal cinematic videos as well. Okay, now to generate horizontal or landscape videos, here's the simple trick. I'll paste the same text prompt again, and at the end, I'll write aspect ratio 16:9. Make sure to add this at the end of your prompt if you want landscape videos for YouTube long-form content. Now I'll click Generate, and after a few seconds, boom! We got the same cinematic images, but this time in landscape. Now you can simply click on any image and hit Animate, and within seconds, Meta AI turns it into a cinematic landscape video. And honestly, the result looks absolutely amazing. If I click the download button, the video instantly saves to the desktop. But here's the catch. We still have the Meta AI watermark. Don't worry though. In the next step, I'll show you how to download these videos without watermark, completely free and 100% legal. So don't skip, because this part is important. Okay, now we've generated images and turned them into videos. But what if you want to generate videos directly from text? That's where things get even more interesting. To generate videos from the same prompt, I'll simply change the text at the beginning from image prompt to video prompt and click Submit. And again, if you want landscape videos, just add aspect ratio 16:9 at the end of the prompt. Now give it a few seconds, and boom, Meta AI generated 4 cinematic video variations from the exact same prompt. And honestly, these videos look next level. The motion, the cinematic feel, the quality, it's seriously impressive for a free AI tool. Okay, now we still have some powerful features left to explore in Meta AI. If I click on any of these videos, we get a bunch of editing options. As you can see, we can add background music, extend the video duration, and even restyle the video with different looks. And the best part? Meta AI already gives you plenty of built-in restyle options to experiment with. Now let me click on Extend. It takes just a few seconds to process, and there we go. The video duration increased from 5 seconds to 10 seconds. And if you want even longer clips, you can extend it again up to 15 seconds. Pretty impressive for a free AI tool. Oh, and I almost forgot. Meta AI can also bring any image to life. Just click on the plus button, upload any image you want to animate, and once the image is uploaded, simply type Animate and hit Submit. Now give it a few seconds, and just look at this. Meta AI turned a simple image into an amazing cinematic video scene. Honestly, this feature alone can save you a lot of time if you want to create eye-catching videos fast. Okay, now let me show you how to create 10 to 15-minute videos using Meta AI. And after that, I'll also show you a simple trick to download your videos without any watermark. To create long videos, I'll start by opening a new chat. Then I'll copy the master prompt I already generated with AI and paste it into Meta AI. This prompt works like a world-class documentary director, helping Meta generate highly cinematic scenes. Now, all you need to do is enter your topic. For example, I've written Egypt, but you can use any topic or country like Great Britain, France, or anything you want. Next, choose how many clips you want Meta AI to generate. I'm selecting 10 clips to keep this process simple and easy to understand, but you can generate more depending on your project. Once everything looks good, simply click Submit. And now let Meta AI do the magic. And within a few seconds, Meta AI generated a complete short documentary with 10 clips, fully planned and ready to use. As you can see, for each clip, Meta gives you everything step by step. The script to narrate, voice instructions, image prompt, and even the video prompt to bring that image to life. And the best part? The process stays simple and consistent for every clip, making it incredibly easy to turn an idea into a complete cinematic video. After that, I'll copy all the clips with their details and save them in Notepad to keep everything organized. Now I'll copy the image prompt of clip 1, come back to Meta AI, go to the Create section, and paste it into the prompt box. Just like before, I'll add aspect ratio 16:9 at the end for a cinematic landscape video, then click Generate. And within a few seconds, we got these amazing cinematic scene images. Now you can simply click Animate, and Meta AI will automatically turn the image into a video. But if you want more control and better cinematic results, here's a powerful trick. Open the image and scroll down to the bottom. You'll see a Custom Animate button. Click on it, then I'll copy the video prompt from clip 1 that Meta already generated for us and paste it here. Now I'll click Animate. And within a few seconds, just look at this. We got an absolutely amazing cinematic video clip with much better motion and storytelling. Honestly, the result looks fantastic. Okay, now if you directly download the video from here, you'll notice a Meta watermark on the video. But don't worry, let me show you the method I'm using here. I'll simply copy the link of this video, open a new tab, and search for Manus AI. Click on the first link, and just like that, we land on the Manus homepage. I'm already logged in. Now in the prompt section, I'll paste the video link, and on the next line, I'll write something like, download or provide this video without watermark, then click Submit. Now give Manus AI a few seconds to do its magic. And just like that, the video is ready. Open the video, click on the download arrow, then hit download, and the video instantly saves to the desktop. Now let's play the final result. And as you can see, the video looks absolutely clean and ready to use. In the same way, I'll generate each video clip scene and process them one by one. And to save time, I'll skip ahead and show you the final result once all the video clips are ready. All right, these are all the video scenes I generated using Meta AI and processed one by one. Now the next step is to generate the voice for each scene using a free but powerful text-to-speech tool. I'll copy the narration script for the first scene and head over to Google AI Studio. I'll leave the link in the description. Here, if you click on the speaker settings, you'll find plenty of voiceover actors to choose from depending on your video style. For this video, I'll go with Aljiba. Now I'll paste the first scene narration script, click Generate, and within seconds, our voiceover is ready. Next, I'll click Download to save it to the desktop. And in the same way, I'll turn each scene narration into voiceover. To save time, I'll show you the final result once all the narrations are ready. All right, these are all the audio files I generated for each scene. Now it's time to combine all the videos and voiceovers into one complete cinematic video using CapCut. As you can see, I've already imported all the audio files into CapCut, and next I'll import all the video scenes. Now I'll drag the first scene video to the timeline, followed by the first scene narration audio. As you can see, the video is slightly longer than the narration. In this case, I'll simply adjust the video speed so it perfectly matches the audio timing. And in the same way, I'll add each video scene with its narration to the timeline and adjust the speed whenever necessary to keep everything perfectly synced. I'll fast forward this part to save some time. Okay, now as you can see, all the video scenes are perfectly aligned with their audio. The next step is to make everything feel more smooth and cinematic by adding transitions between clips. I'll go to the Transitions tab and place transitions between each scene for a cleaner, more professional flow. All right, now let's play the final video.
A land where gods walked, and eternity was carved in stone. The Nile, a lifeline, gifting green to endless gold. Pharaohs rose, immortal kings commanding heaven and earth. They built mountains for the dead to touch the stars. Inside, walls whisper secrets in sacred hieroglyphs. Gold.
And as you just saw, the result looks absolutely amazing. Cinematic, smooth, and perfectly synced with the narration. Now it's ready to export. I'll click on export, then hit the final export button again to save the completed video to the desktop. If you learned something new from this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Your support truly means the world to me and motivates me to keep bringing you more powerful AI tutorials like this.